Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. You start learning a language A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and so on. As per your requirement, you learn the language. Sometimes students need only A1 level certificate, some students need B1 level, some of you may need C1, C2 or test staff if you are going to study in Germany. But there is a very common question that runs in your mind. How much time? Is there any fixed time in which we can complete our level? Of course, yes. Within a given time framework, you can finish a level. But if you ask me, is there any fixed time to acquire the good command over a language? I would say no. Acquiring a knowledge and getting a certificates, finishing the level are two different things. You can finish a level within 2 months, 2.5 months. It depends upon number of hours you study. But acquiring a good command over the language needs lot of time. It requires practice and daily revision. If you have time to study regularly, you must do regular course. You attend regular classes, whether online or offline. I am talking about regular practice. It makes difference. If you don't have time, you may stretch your level time from 2 months to 4 months, 6 months, and you will not have that much good command over the language, because language is something that needs practice. If you keep practicing till 1 year or 2 years, you will see the sharpness of your language. You are very fluent. You will not think much about before speaking anything. But if you are not regular, you just want to pass the examination and get the certificate, it's a different matter. I hope 50% of you agree with me that you need only a certificate either for studying in Germany or to apply for a job in India or abroad. But if you want to have a good command over the language, if you want to speak fluent German without any doubt or with lot of confidence, if you want to express your opinion, then you must be in touch with the language. You have to speak regularly, you have to read something, write something, you can watch movies, short stories, you can write a note, you can write 10 lines every day, and if you cannot speak with someone, you can listen to German audios, visualize something, so that makes you perfect. It will enhance your language skills. But again, I am repeating, there is no fixed time that I can say, okay, within 6 months you can be fluent, within 8 months you can be master, okay, of the language. No, that's not the case. Mastering a language requires a lot of time. It's a gradual process. Within 6 months, 8 months you cannot be master, but definitely you can finish your level as per your requirement. For that also you need to study every day, you need to do revision, you need to do self-study every day. Only then at the end of the level you feel confident enough, yes, I have done A1 level, yes, I have done my B1 level, now I can appear for the examination. Appearing for examination is a different thing. Whatever you learn from a textbook, German textbook, it's different. When you appear for the exam, it requires again a different vision, a different strategy. You have to follow that strategy. You have to score very good marks in the examination. You need to be extra smart. You should know do's and don'ts, what should be studied and what should not be. Because you have acquired the knowledge, you know the grammar skills, you know the rules, regulation and technical things about the language. But when you appear for exam, you just focus on the examination pattern. What kind of questions can be asked? How can you improve your vocabulary? And what you should not study, because you have very less time and you need to score very good marks and you have to obtain the certificate. So there is a different strategy that you need to follow for examination purpose. But when you learn the language, you have to follow the textbook, you have to follow certain pattern, syllabus. You have to learn every day. You have to practice each and every day. You should not be lazy. You cannot say, okay, tomorrow is my exam, okay, or today I don't have time. For another 3 days, 4 days, I am busy, I am out of station, I cannot study. No, then you will lose the thread, you will lose your skills. Whatever time you have devoted so far, you may decrease your parameter, you may decrease your efficiency of language. So this is the reason I always say learn regularly with lot of passion, lot of desire. Definitely you will acquire very good knowledge at the end of the day. But you should follow a proper strategy and proper exam or your text pattern. I hope you agree with me. Any other question, please write below in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.